These are Thundercat kittens at 3 weeks old, and we had to make a bigger playpen because they're getting loose all over the place, playing, wanting to play. Here's Mama. Hi, Mama. How's those little caboodles? There's one right there. This is the one that looks like Mom. Right here. Let's see your little face. You gotta look up here, little darling. Look up. Show me your face. There's your face. These little guys sleeping. There she is. Come here. Let me see you again. Playful little kitty. There she is. Okay, and here's some of the other faces. Who are you? There you are. Goodness, such long claws. And here's our little Manx baby. He's so cute. He's all jacked up in the back, and he's got to grow into that huge head. And there's the other little darlings. And those are the Thundercat babies at 3 weeks. Tired Mama, huh? Yeah, tired girl. Big job. Okay, bye-bye till next week.